Today we just released our first FlyCart 30 and we will unbox. Let's see what inside the box, what come together, so you can easily understand what you need to buy more.
Introducing DJI FlyCart 30, an aerial delivery drone.
Okay. So there we go. So initially, most people, as you all think, this look like D40 in the market now. But to be exact, it's more similarity to the D50, which is coming soon for the overseas market. So the frame is same. So the propeller. So if you look at the propeller, it looks similar to D40, but you will see it's much stronger. There's also the propeller holder. It's nice. So in the box itself, only the drone, and so many people they might be looking for what is a remote controller, because the remote controller is hiding here. So it's this is a cargo box. So in the cargo box, we in the remote controller. Let's open and see. Okay. So as you see in the box, we will see the drone and the cargo box. So for your remote controller, you need to see inside. So just go and have a look. There we go. So now let's transport the remote controller. Sorry, joking. We have a remote controller inside. So in the remote controller, what we have more, and you will see a bit more detail. So in the remote controller box, you will see all these items. Make sure and check all should be included together. So basically, the remote controller itself, and you will have the cable, so Type C, USB. Also, you will have this cable for the charging purpose. Okay, and also Type C to Type C cable as well. So, and well, the more cables and the different system or the charging hub, the bolt. Let's see, this is the transfer port and the L key. So for the L key, you will see here three, quite similarity to the Argus drone, the spare part, and the plus we have this for the single battery mode. You need to use you need to close one battery setting, right? So we have it all together. You don't need to buy it, and you have a Google. So this is facility for the FlyCart 30, and we also have this power adapter to charge, because you see the Type C to Type C cable. It's like for the enterprise version, and also the manual block, and for the panels. So that's all in the remote controller box. And the drone itself, so when you open your item, and all the items that come like this. So what we do not have and what you need to buy is, you need to buy the charger and with the 2 AC cable, and then you also need to buy the batteries. So let's say if you want to go for 3 flights, 1 flight, either one battery or single battery or dual battery is allowable, but we will suggest to go with dual battery. So you can also fly far and longer, like you can fly until 16 kilometer with to dual battery. If you use only single battery, you can use only 8 kilometer the distance. As we all already see in the FlyCart 30 video, and we have a parachute system, and the radar is integrated in the frame, also for the terrain radar. In the back side also we have a terrain radar, and the EFC, the propeller, and all the design, and also see the propeller holders with these like a dual motor. All is quite similarity to our P15, which is coming very soon. Of course, as a delivery drone, you will see this delivery cargo box. So this one is in the original box it comes with a cargo mode, and you need to, if you want to use for the wind system, you also need to buy the wind system additionally. So that's it for all the FlyCart 30 in the box. You will see this. For more detail about the performance and how they integrate to the camera, IPV camera, and how they integrate with our visual sensor, and all the detailed specification, we will also test together in our first test flight video, and we will share much more detail and how we can use and which more scenario, and what is the performance, maximum altitude and maximum distance, and we will share more detail in our flight test. We will test together. Thank you for today's video. So keep in mind, that's what you will see in the drone and remote controller and some tools that will come together. All other accessory and our sales person will suggest you need to buy separately based on your requirement. Thank you, and see you in the test flight video of our FlyCart 30.